Translating a sentence into a one-step inequality. We are just translating these sentences, writing them as inequalities. We are not solving them at this point. I have here a list of your inequalities, less than and less than or equal. The difference between those is the equal part is underlined, and then greater than or equal, and the difference between that is the equal is underlined. Also, if you have problems remembering which is which on those, just think of a number line. If I could draw one. All the numbers to the right of 0 go in this direction. All the numbers greater than 0 are to the right. All the numbers less than 0 are to the left. Now notice how I made those arrows different colors, because your greater than or less than signs are just your arrows. If it's going to the right, the arrow is pointing right, and if it's going to the left, the arrow is pointing left. Greater than 0 is to the right, less than 0 is to the left. Then I added some notes here just on some keywords. This is not all of them that you will find, but these are the most popular ones. If you're going to add, you used increased or sum. Subtract is decreased or difference. Multiply, we'll use the words times or product. Divide is usually using the word quotient. So then you start from the beginning of the sentence and work your way through, looking for any of these special things that we have listed off to the side. A number y increased by 4. So increased means plus, is less than negative 21. So once you have the word part figured out, then you just go and put everything in place. Y increased by 4 is less than negative 21. That one is finished. This one, sum means add, of 7 and W is greater than 20. Okay, the word and, what's on either side of that, that's where you put your plus, okay? So the sum of what? The sum of 7 and W is greater than 20. Seven subtracted from B. Okay, the word from. Whatever comes after the word from comes first. So I'm going to do B, and then I'm going to subtract 7. So when you see the word from, you actually take what's after that, and you work backwards. B subtracted from 7. At most. At most means that you can't have more than. So if you cannot have more than, you have to have less than, or you could also have equal to. So less than or equal to 16. And the next one, product of B and 9. Okay, in algebra, with product, you just write these side by side, and you're going to put the number out front. So it's going to look like 9b. That's how you write the product of something. Is at most, well, that means it can't be more than, so it can be less than or equal to negative 23.